Hey guys, today I have a wonderful surprise for you. Today's video is about a rental. Yes guys, so many of you have been asking me about where you can stay on the island when you come on your seasonal stay. Well guys, I have just the perfect place, so keep watching.
Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the groove. Dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose.
Welcome to the Parish of St Philip, which has the largest land area of the 11 parishes of Barbados. And it has a relatively flat, close to sea level terrain. It is generally considered the country, and it's easy to see why. Just look at this beautiful backdrop. Let's check out this stunning townhouse, guys.
Custom-made kitchen. I know it's a rental, but it's a custom-made kitchen. It's a lovely feature.
Is that the sea I can detect over there?
Let me have a look. That is the sea. That is the sea in the far distance. A pull-out freezer.
Wow. Yeah, that's fantastic.
Appliances all brand new, and it's a fully furnished apartment. Oh, it's a beautiful place. What his and her hooks. I believe this is a quartz countertop.
Could this be your happy home away from home here in sunny Barbados? Turn left onto Casuarina Estates.
Right, here we go. Going through the gates. Right, following it round. This is the driveway where you would park your car. And the townhouse is located at the side, but to the rear of the property. Now we're to the front door of the apartment. Welcome back. My name is Judy, and I'm here to show you around this beautiful property. Hi, we're back. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath apartment located in St Philip in an area called Casuarina Estates. And it's close to, you may know, Bottom Bay Beach, which is literally 5 minutes away. We walked through its open plan. Straight onto the kitchen. As you will notice, they've got a lot of new kitchen appliances, top of the line.
Wow, I have to say this is absolutely.
And look at this beautiful countertop.
Sparkling.
Yes, it's lovely, isn't it?
Wow.
It's a custom-made kitchen. I know it's a rental, but it's a custom-made kitchen with the beautiful appliances, all brand new. And it's a fully furnished apartment. I think you've noticed that. I think all you need to do is bring your suitcase and then move in. It's time to put the light on as well. And then it opens up slowly. You don't have to buy anything. There's a washer dryer, a stackable washer dryer, a dishwasher.
These things are all brand new.
They're all brand new. They're all brand new. And a lovely fridge with a pull-out freezer.
Wow. Yeah, that's fantastic.
And on this level, we have the half bath, which I referred to earlier. It's a good use of space.
Very modern, guys.
Starfish and shells.
Beautiful.
The apartment is for rent at US dollars 1,300, Barbados dollars 2,600. All the utilities included apart from the electricity, obviously because there are AC units in all the rooms. So the electricity is not included in the price. So, and it can be rented for up to 6 months, with as little as 6 months, and the lease could be renewed after the 6 months if you wish.
And actually, it's a big space.
It's a very big space.
Preparing more space. Preparing your food.
Yeah, it's a very big space. Right, shall we go upstairs and see the bedrooms?
Yeah, that would be great.
It's been lovely decorated with these floor tiles.
Because they look like wood.
They look like wood, yeah, but they're floor tiles. And I like they did the contrast with the dark and the light floor tiles.
And also, they're really easy to walk up.
Correct, and a
The
very.
gradient is not. It's a very.
It's not.
Gentle
It's a
gradient.
correct. It's not steep stairs at all.
It's really gentle gradient.
Right, so this is the bedroom. You have the AC, storage for your clothes, and mirror and storage here as well. It's lovely, isn't it? And it has a lovely bed and 2 side tables and lamps, AC. It's a bed with lighting overhead and a lighting at the side. Right, and we can go into the bathroom, the main bathroom, shared bathroom upstairs. It's nicely decorated with black and white tiles.
Hi guys, I'm filming today.
With its space age shower unit.
Wow.
Jets from the top, jets from the side.
Wow, look at this, guys. That's incredible.
And the
That's
lovely
amazing
feature, again on the windows. I love that half.
Yeah.
That oval shape at the top.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah, we've got fly screens on the windows. Put your shower gel, your shampoo. Yeah, it's been a well thought out apartment.
When you've got individual hooks.
What, his and her hooks?
Yeah. Really comfortable. Okay.
There's a lovely mirror. Right, this is the last bedroom, the second bedroom, with the AC unit, the lovely feature on the windows again. It's a lovely bedroom with nice views out, nice views.
We are on the coast.
East Coast in St Philip, sunny St Philip,
Yes.
and it's lovely and breezy outside.
Yes. Like a high bed. This one is like 2 mattresses.
It's a deep mattress.
Yeah, you like
It's a
that.
very deep mattress. Yeah, it's a deep base, and then plus a deep mattress on top. Yeah, some people like that. Yeah,
Yes.
if you know. There's a wardrobe with, well, these are spare towels and spare bedding, with the iron and ironing board and the laundry basket. All the little things, all the little touches you would need if you were renting somewhere.
I'm impressed with this. I love this.
It's a lovely feature. How many rented properties you see with like this, something like this? And look at the lighting feature. Yep. I should have mentioned before when we started that this is a townhouse. So the bedrooms are upstairs and the living quarters are on the ground floor when we came in.
Yeah.
This is the back door, which is coming off from the kitchen, and you can see these louver windows here where you can get some breeze in without having to open up the door. So that's nice and handy. So shall we go outside? It is a paved yard. There is a banana tree. You can see some bananas on the tree there, and some soursop from the soursop tree there. It's a small paved yard. That part over there is shared with the big house. That's part of the big house. But the apartment has this bit here. As you can see, that pump, it has underground water storage.
Oh.
And that is just in case we have a low water power and we don't have any water. We always have water on the property.
Yeah, I think that's a really good idea. I mean, it only happens once in a blue moon, but when it does.
When it does, yeah. It doesn't happen all the time,
Yeah.
but it's a nice backup just in case. And it's a seamless transition. If one goes off, the other one comes on.
Oh, that's
Yeah. And you see some lights here on the wall, so at night you've got some, yes, you're all lit up in the garden area.
wow. So I could just imagine here having somewhere to sit and so on. You know?
Right, yes, you can have a small table here, a small outdoor table with an umbrella.
Okay.
And it is fully paved around the yard. £100 gas bottles, but the tenant doesn't need to worry about that because that's all included in the rent.
Yeah.
And the AC unit, obviously. And if you walk all the way around, you get to the driveway. So this is the driveway to the front of the house. So now we're back to the front. That's the front door to the apartment. And
This is the main house.
that's part of the main house. And this driveway here, if the tenant had the car or has the car, they can park here. It's not a problem. This is for them to park.
Yeah.
And you can see it can hold at least 3 cars, 3 additional cars.
Original.
So Judy, thank you for taking the time to show us around this wonderful townhouse. Now, could you give us, the details that people might need? Because with this particular property, people will have to act very quickly because it's a rental.
This property, if you want to rent this property, you will need to pay a deposit. The deposit is 2,600 Barbados dollars or US dollars 1,300 for us to hold it for you if you're coming from overseas. There is a lease agreement, a 6-month lease agreement is required. That's the minimum you can rent it for. And also that lease agreement could be renewed when it's coming up to the 6 months. Before you move in, you'll also need to pay the first and last month's rent before you get the keys.
So, Judy, I'm just thinking, if it's somebody from abroad who wants to rent this out for the 6 months, maybe they're a seasonal stayer like I have been, what would be the first steps that they would need to take in terms of payment or deposits and so on?
Well, what they need to do is contact me directly. You can contact me on my email address, which will be in the link below, or you can contact me on my telephone number, which will be in the link below, and I can walk you through the process or send you an email outlining instructions. But normally what we would do is, just to give you an overview, we would take your deposit, we will hold it until you get here, and we will need from that individual also ID, a copy of their ID, and also proof of income. But all that can be done through an email.
So you've given us the price. Does it include any of the utilities?
Right, the price includes gas, water, and also Wi-Fi. The only thing it does not include is electricity. There are 3 AC units in the property, so there's one in each bedroom and one in the living room, so that's an additional cost at the tenant.
Are there any rules? Because generally with rentals, from my experience, it could be that you're not allowed to smoke. What is the situation? Are you allowed dogs, animals, pets, things like that? Are there any restrictions?
That's a very good question, Jay. With this property, there's no smoking allowed, and also no pets are allowed.
I noticed that the entrance into the property is shared, so it's an entrance in terms of into the main, off from the road into the property is shared, and then access to the townhouse is through the parking area. Am I right? Towards
Correct.
the rear of the.
Correct, that is correct.
Property.
It has its own front door, which is separate from the main house. But to come onto the premises of the lot, there is one main gate and one main gate for the car to drive in, and a separate gate for pedestrians to walk in.
And just to confirm, the responsibility for the maintenance of the outside area, the garden, is all included?
Yes, that's all at the landlord's, so the tenant doesn't have to worry about that.
Okay.
Somebody comes in, a gardener comes in and maintains the outside of the premises.